Hi, and welcome to All Things ImpressArt. I am Rita Panula. I am the design director for ImpressArt, and ImpressArt is the leader in metal stamping supplies and tools. What I love the most about metal stamping is you get to tell your story, a milestone, personalization, anything you want, you could put that into metal and have it forever. Now that you're ready to start your metal stamping journey, you want to head over to our inspiration page. You also want to check out our Facebook Lives that we have weekly and become part of our Facebook group where we have challenges monthly and talk about all things related to metal stamping. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter and also our beginner classes that are held the third week of every month. I hope that you're just as excited as I was when I started my metal stamping journey over 15 years ago. This isn't a craft that you're going to master overnight. Practice, practice, practice. And remember, we're always here to help.